The show starts in 3, 2, 1.
Hey everybody, thanks for joining us tonight in the after show. We're going to have a lot of fun for the next 20 minutes or so, but don't forget tomorrow night, on Friday night, the American Rod Shop regular video will premiere. It'll have a lot of great classic cars, and that video is going to be up for sale. But right now, let's go ahead and check out the automotive trivia with question number 1. Who originally founded the DeSoto automobile? Was it Louis Chevrolet, or was it Henry Ford, or was it Walter Chrysler, or was it Henry Royce? Now, if you know that answer, go ahead and drop it over in the comments for fun. We'll check out everybody's answer and find out who got what right at the end of the video. Okay, now let's check out and find out who won that 1970 Ford Ranchero Matchbox car that we gave away in the last video. And to find that out, we're going to go over to raffle-dash.com, where I'll put in the URL code for this video. Then I'll hit select a comment. And the winner is Tony T 8805. Congratulations, Tony T. I know you've been a long time viewer. Okay, Tony, you have approximately 7 days to contact me at AmericanRodShop@yahoo.com. I'll give you details on how to collect your totally free prize. Will not cost you one dime. And don't forget, if you haven't done so yet, please like, subscribe, and share. It will not cost you one penny, but it will help this little channel to grow, and I would appreciate that. Okay, let's check out the coolest cars I saw on the internet this week. Trivia question number 2, and there are 3 total tonight. Which one of the following is not a car's nickname? Is it Tin Lizzie? Or could it be Stoveboat? Or is it Shoebox? Or is it Land Boat? If you know which one of those it is, go ahead and drop it right now over in the comments for fun. And like I said before, we'll check everybody's answer at the end of the video. Okay, let's jump into the Wayback Machine with Mr. Peabody and Sherman and see if you remember these.
If you're like most people who are interested in the Corvair, you want to know what it can do in action, out on the road. You want proof that the Corvair can deliver the goods, give you more of what you're looking for in a compact car. And here it is, dramatic proof that the Corvair delivers the goods as no other compact car can. Years ago, in its early development stages, Chevrolet engineers began testing disguised Corvairs, began making the Corvair a road car. They made it a compact car with power, traction, and ruggedness. They put into the Corvair a suspension system to tackle the roughest road and level it off for its passengers. Chevrolet designers and engineers used all their know-how to make this 1960 Corvair the compact car that people could count on. But they didn't stop there. There was more testing, double-checking, retesting. Here at the challenging Lime Rock, Connecticut Raceway, the 1960 Corvair was really put through its paces, made to prove itself. And it did. It proved its stability, and then some. Just watch how the Corvair stays under control in this situation. Now see how the Corvair proved its maneuverability and ease of handling. Watch the Corvair handle some rough going. Look at that fender line. See how level the Corvair's body stays. Now watch the Corvair prove that it's got the power, the traction, the stamina to go just about anywhere. Just look at this. Using this stream for its highway, the Corvair actually plowed along like this for over 20 miles. And not once did its reliable turbo air engine falter. Now watch this sample of how the Corvair can stop. tarmac used on runways to help disabled planes slide into safe belly landings. Watch the Corvair handle it. What more could they ask the Corvair to do? Well, just look. The Corvair proved its ruggedness in special crash tests. Not once, but over and over again. Just to see how it would stand up, they tried to make the Corvair roll over. It wouldn't. They locked the wheels, so it had to roll over. The Corvair took the punishment and asked for more. Yes, sir, the Corvair's as good as she looks. Corvair power, ruggedness, maneuverability, handling, traction, braking, all proved again and again. Not much doubt about it, is there, that this is the car that gives you more of what you're looking for in a compact car. Sure, the Corvair has more, and the Corvair is ready and able to prove it.
Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little walk through automotive history. Right now, let's check out trivia question number 3. Which one of the following is not an automobile rim? Is it Krager? Is it Washburn? Is it American Racing? Or is it Keystone? Well, if you know that answer, go ahead and drop it over in the comments. Here in just a few minutes, we're going to check everyone's answer. Find out if you got any or all 3 of these correct. All right, let's check out the vintage Hot Wheels that I'll be showcasing tonight. This one is from 1968, and it is a vintage 1968 Redline rose pink Turbofire with a white interior. Now, this car is rare due to the color of it, as that the rose pink was not a popular color among boys, and therefore when Hot Wheels realized this, production was limited. So if you have one of these still mint on card, these command prices of around $500 or more. Loose ones go for about $75, so be sure to check your toy box in the attic. You may have one of these up there worth a small treasure. Okay, let's check the answers to the trivia questions and find out if you got all 3 correct. Hopefully you did. Trivia question 1 was, who originally founded the DeSoto automobile? Well, if you guessed Walter Chrysler, you are correct. In 1928, Walter Chrysler founded the DeSoto division of Chrysler Corporation that produced cars from 1928 to the 1961 model year. Over 2 million passenger cars and trucks bore the DeSoto brand in North America markets during its existence. Okay, trivia question number 2. Which one of the following is not a car's nickname? Well, if you guessed Land Boat, you're correct. The nickname Tin Lizzie was given to the Ford Model Ts, and Stowboat referred to the early 1920s and 30s Chevrolets due to their motorboats resembling stoveboats. Shoebox was the nickname given to the 1949-1954 Ford sedans because their body shape resembled a shoebox. While Land Boat was not a specific nickname, it describes any large automobiles from the 1960s to the 1970s. Trivia question number 3. Which one of the following is not an automobile rim? Well, if you guessed Washburn, you are correct. While they don't make rims, there is a tire company that makes Washburn tires. These are mostly made for bicycles. So there's your trivia answers. Hope you got all 3 correct. Now, if you like trivia, be sure to tune in some of my other videos. There's a lot of automotive trivia in those videos as well. Okay, here's the item we'll be drawing for in the next upcoming after show video. This is a 2001 Hot Wheels 1940 Plymouth Coupe, I think, which is painted up to look like NASCAR. Now, this is what's considered a Hot Wheels treasure hunt for the NASCAR version. We're going to go ahead and give this one away, and here's the 4 things you need to do if you want a chance and opportunity to win this. We'll draw for it in the next upcoming after show video. First of all, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe. Secondary, hit the like button for this video. Thirdly, enters the letters HWTH over in the comments. And fourth, enter often. If you'll do those 4 things, you'll be entered in for a chance and opportunity to win, and we'll give it away in the next upcoming after show video.
Oh wow, is that a mockingbird?
Man, is that a mockingbird? Is that a mockingbird?
Thanks everybody for watching. I just want to let you know that you are loved and appreciated, and I'll see all you guys and gals in the next upcoming video.